Hello, in front of me I've got Shadowverse. In this video I'll show you basic combat tutorial. In the beginning of each combat, you can redraw 4 cards. You can select which card you would like to redraw, or you can simply start the fight without redrawing cards. Now, let's take a look at your deck. Here is your deck. You can select cards to play. Here is your life, rounds until super evolve, rounds until standard evolve, combo informations, card in your hand, total card in the deck, and killed cards. On the right side, you can see how many play points you've got. With each round you will get more play points, up to 10. So let's start with throwing a card. You can check what card to do, but by aiming at her. Currently we can only use one card because we've got only one play point. Here on the top of the card you can see play point required for using the card. Here is the attack power and defense power. Now we can use more powerful cards. Unfortunately, we can't attack with the card we just played. So we have to wait turn. And now we can attack with the card. Next, we can play another card. As you can see, this is the support card we can use to improve our second card. Now we've got 4 points, so we can use 2 cards. To evolve your card, press and hold this orb and aim it on your card. Once the card evolved, you can use it to attack. And now we can super evolve cards. At the top of the screen you can see the amount of opponent's cards. As you can see now, we can play powerful card, and also we can super evolve it. With this powerful card, we can beat almost every enemy, especially when it's super evolved. So let's wrap it up with few tips. Always remember about evolving your cards, remember about your amulets that can give you support, and remember about your cards' special powers. Sometimes when the card is 2 or 3 runs at the battlefield, it unlocks the special power that can support your other cards or that can be used to attack your opponent. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.